How to redeem Diablo Immortal code. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're playing Diablo Immortal and have a promo code you'd like to redeem, firstly open up the Diablo Immortal game on your device. Once you're inside the game, after logging in, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Now you'll see this expanded menu where you'll need to click the gear icon. Now, go ahead and scroll down from the menu and tap on Account. Inside Account, you'll see Redeem Code option. Tap the Redeem button right next to Redeem Code. Now enter your redemption code in the blank box provided in the screen. After you have the correct code, you can tap on Redeem from the bottom. So that is how you redeem a Diablo Immortal code and claim eligible rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.